In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an embedded PDF from a website. You've probably come across a web page where the PDF is displayed inside a viewer, but there's no obvious download button, or the right-click options are limited. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a clear, reliable way to get that PDF file onto your computer so you can read it offline, search it easily, or store it for later. First, open the web page that contains the embedded PDF in your browser. This works best in a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Make sure the PDF is fully visible on the page. If it's inside a small frame, scroll until you can see it clearly. Give the page a few seconds to finish loading, so the PDF itself has time to appear. Next, we're going to open your browser's built-in developer tools. Don't worry, you don't need to be technical to follow along. On most browsers, you can do this by right-clicking somewhere in a blank area of the page, away from the PDF, and choosing Inspect or Inspect Element. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, often F12 or Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows, or Command+Option+I on a Mac. When the developer tools open, you'll see a panel, usually docked to the side or bottom of the window. Look for a tab or section labeled Network. Click that to open the network view. If the panel is empty, simply reload the page while leaving the Network tab open, so it can capture all the files the page is loading. Once the page reloads, the Network panel will start listing different types of files: images, scripts, and importantly, documents. To make things easier, look for a filter or a type column and filter by document or media, depending on your browser. You're looking for an entry whose type is PDF or whose file name ends in PDF. When you see a likely PDF entry, click on it. In the details pane that appears, there should be a headers or general section that shows the full URL of the file. Carefully copy that URL. Now open a new browser tab, paste the URL into the address bar, and press Enter. The PDF should open directly, outside of the embedded viewer. From here, use the browser's built-in download button, usually an icon that looks like a downward arrow, or go to the File menu and choose Save As to download the PDF to your computer. And that's all you need to reliably download an embedded PDF from most websites.